Hi everyone, it's Joey. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I do planning, daily living, and some teacher videos. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Today I am bringing you a weekly plan with me for the week of October 5th through October 11th. And I am using the DEKdesigns.com sticker kit that is called Fairytale, and I really love this. It is a rose gold foiled kit with some, it looks like probably bell, but it has a lot of fall elements to it. So I am in love with this kit. I love it. I can't wait to put it down on my spread. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the washi and the date covers before I move on to anything else. And now I think I will go I think I'm gonna go ahead and go through and put down each of my headers. So I think this is how I plan on doing it. The to do today, and then a glitter header at the bottom. Alright, so there's the basis for it so far. I'm gonna go ahead and place down a full box right here so that I can do my sidebar. I think I will use this guy for meals. Then I will put this guy down. I'm going to put the header down this way. And then that way I can just check mark if I exercise each day. And then this week, and then finally, I'm going to put this down, and then I'm going to put down my cleaning. This will be for my devotions up here, so I can check mark each day. And then this week, I'm going to write down underneath it all the things that I like to clean. And I will put down some check marks here on the side for that. I'll come back to this. I'll come back to that. All right, so I'm gonna lay down my to-do boxes under each one of these. Going to lay that guy there. All right, now let me go back up here and put in, I'm gonna put in my weekend banner before I do anything else. There's that. I actually watched them, I think it was, oh, I can't remember which one it was, but I watched one of the owners of DEK actually do a plan with me, and this is how they used their banner for the weekend. And I thought, oh my gosh, that's amazing. Super cute. So I thought, well, I'm totally gonna do that, because now that makes perfect sense why you would have all those little flags and whatnot. And I thought, it's so cute that way. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna go through and put down a couple of half boxes. First, I'm gonna do this rounded box for Saturday because, again, it's our grocery shopping day. So I will do that, and then I'm gonna lay down this little half box right here because I won't be able to put a full box for deco right there, so that will be there. Sunday, I will put this down for church. Oops, hold on. Actually, I'm gonna pull this down just a tad so that I can put my little scallops over it. Okay. Let's see. For work on the 7th, I have a meeting. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down with this box. Let's see. I'm trying to think how I want to do this. All right, hang on. I have Belle, and I don't want to not use her. So I'm going to, very quickly before I go any further, I'm going to lay her down. Because she's super cute, and I can't, like, not use her in my spread. That would be a shame if I didn't use her. And I think to kind of help out this top part, I'm going to put this little scallop across the top. To kind of help out with this down here. I'm kind of all over the place right now, guys, but I'm going to lay down this little pattern at the bottom because there is some sort of dead space right there, and I want to take care of that. Okay, so Sunday I have Trash Eve in the evening, so I will put that guy down. Do laundry this weekend, so I will put that down along with a plan with me, like a filming plan with me. So let me pull that out really quickly. Film Saturday, and then edit and upload on Sunday. So I'm going to use a computer from my DEK Designs. That will, it's not perfect, but it's good enough. All right, then on Thursday, no, I will end up pushing in this to Saturday. I will need to do laundry. Does that say fold clothes? Oh, it does. Well, that needs to happen too. But I'll need to do the laundry as well. Let's see if there's, oh, yeah. Yep, there it is. All right. So I'll probably end up doing laundry on Friday night and folding clothes on Saturday. And then I have my grocery shop sticker that I have from Sticker Mama. I'm just going to cover up this bow because I really need that whole space. I'm sure we will do some kind of a movie night on Friday or Saturday, but I'm going to go ahead. We have been doing movies more on Saturday recently, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on the Saturday. And then I'll just mark whatever movie it is that we see. Oh, I found a little grocery shop sticker right here. So that guy goes there. I think I'm in another full box right here. It might overlap a little bit, but that's okay. I think I'd still like to use it. Actually, I might trim off just the bottom of those books. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and then, so this is church. And then it'll be planner time in the evening for me. So I will just kind of mark that with this guy. And a little planner sticker. I'm going to use this adorable little book that is like from Belle. So cute. And actually I think I'm going to put that Trash Eve on a sticker. So let me then I think what I want to do is go through, double check my calendar. Oh, I have a possibility of jury duty on Thursday, and I'm praying that I don't have to go, but we shall see. I'm really hoping. I've missed too much work, and I really need to, like, not go to jury duty. I have to call on the 6th about jury duty. So hopefully when I make that phone call, we'll be like, yeah, we're good. We'll see. Who knows? Actually, I think I'm going to use a full box here. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. Alright, what other full box can I use, if any? For sure. Oh, I have to use these books. They're so cute. Okay. But I want to make sure I'm using it the right way. Here we go. Alright, I'm not sure where it shut off, but this is where I'm at so far. And what I think I'm going to do now is I'm going to go around and just put in some deco that she includes in this kit, and it's all these beautiful like pumpkins and bows and flowers and whatnot, so, and some books. So I'm gonna go through and put in some deco and then call it a day, and then I'll fill this out as the week goes. That's generally how it works out for me, and unfortunately by the end of the week, you know, everything is sort of filled out. I'm still like filming this as of today, but the week does get filled out pretty well. So, okay, I think what I want to do is I'm going to put down some books down here, some pumpkins, and I'm just throwing these on. There is no rhyme or reason to any of this, so it's just however I see fit for where I want these. Yeah, pretty much. I think that there are definitely some areas that need a little sprucing up, so these adorable pumpkins are, oh, of course, fall is my thing, so I'm going to use all of the pumpkins, every one. And these books, oh my gosh, you guys, like seriously, so cute. Alright, so I used all of the deco, and I think this is it for right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you really liked it and you'd like to get more of my content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. And I hope you guys have a great week. I will talk to you soon. Bye!